Hi everyone. So I just sent out a link to our classroom website. I know most of you already followed it before, but it is now new and improved to support our virtual learning experience. This is the homepage that you'll come to right when you log on. The only thing on this page that you need to know is that down here I'll have a daily message for the students every day. I will also be posting it onto Shobi so that they have access to it as well. And this is just meant to say hi to them, motivate them, and just reinforce what they're doing and all the hard work that they're putting into their work. The next page is my office hours. Obviously, I'll be available to answer any emails throughout the day. I'll answer as quickly as I possibly can. However, Monday through Friday from 1 to 3, I will respond to emails right away. I'll have my computer out and open, ready for emails, ready for Zoom video chats. If you or a student want to talk and meet with me about anything, I'll be available during those times. The virtual learning guidelines, these have kind of been a mixture of what the district's told us, and then we've taken what the district has told us, and our third grade team have kind of made it our own. So this is kind of what we came up with. The district has told us that there will be no grades collected for fourth quarter. Grades for third quarter will transfer over as fourth quarter grades. This does mean that I can't require students to do any of the work that I send out. However, it is very important that students continue to work towards their goals and progress and get themselves ready for fourth grade next year. Again, I'll send out those daily messages to hopefully continue to motivate them, but feel free to reinforce as you see fit with extra technology time, extra TV time, a special activity or snack, whatever you know helps motivate your kids. As for our weekly routine, every Monday I will put out a weekly board that has all of their assignments for each subject. It'll be put on this website. I'll show you the page in just a moment. And it will also be put on their Shobi so that they also have a picture of it on their iPads. They have from Monday to Friday to complete the activities. Friday is going to be kind of my day to go in, see their work, give some feedback, and then also kind of prepare and get ready for next week's lessons. I will be also sending out a copy of all the resources and worksheets to your email. For some reason, if your child's iPad is not working, you're having trouble with Wi-Fi, or your Wi-Fi isn't working at all, they can always either print it off from your email or write their answers on a separate sheet of paper and just send me a picture via email, and I'll be able to provide some feedback there. A lot of the activities will not require any Wi-Fi. I will be asking that parents or that students post things on Seesaw, and that requires internet. But if they can't post on Seesaw, then they can always just email me what they've come up with on for their work. Let's see here. There, computer's kind of working slow here. Okay, here we go. Zoom, some of you already told me that you're familiar with Zoom. There's the Zoom link. It's free to sign up for a Zoom account. This is a way that I'm in a video conference when something needs more explaining, if a student just wants to chat, if you want to chat. And also, I will also be planning to invite students to virtual lunches with Zoom so we can chat and hang out and have some laughs. I'm definitely missing the kids already. Some suggestions. I do recommend that students are still completing their extra math every day. This is only a 5-minute process, and it really helps them nail down those basic math facts and mental math. It's also very important for students to continue their reading routine. It's recommended that third graders read for 20 to 30 minutes daily. Epic is on their iPads. This is one of their favorite apps to use for reading. Just keeping that daily routine is really, really important. Redbird, Khan Academy, iStation, Read Theory, Prodigy, these are other great apps that these students have on their iPads. They'll be assigned at times, but they're always there for extra practice and review. A lot of those are tailored directly to what your student needs and what your child needs, so they are invaluable. The weekly assignments page, this is where you'll find the board that I was talking about that will also be on their Shobi. This is a link also, so you can click on it and it'll take you to another page. You can print it off if you want, so they can use it as kind of a checklist. And then you can also click, if you click on the actual board, then you can click on these links for some of the activities. And this will be new every week. So this is something that will change every week, and you can log on and see for yourself. And then the last page is just an extra resource page. Embark is part of our math program. This has the homework math keys in case you need to look at those or you want to check your child's work as they are working. Just click on that and it'll take you to the homework math keys. Mystery Science, it is free for parents right now. There are lots of at-home resources and lessons that you can do with your kids on there that are easy to do at home. I've provided you the Zoom link. Scholastic has day-by-day projects to help keep your kids reading, thinking, and growing. There's a list of resources here for math solutions by the Kansas Association of Teachers of Mathematics. And then a whole bunch of teachers came and compiled a whole bunch of at-home resources. So if you click on that link, it'll take you to a whole bunch of engaging, fun activities for every grade level. And then I just have some posters here if you want your students to be just some activities, some ideas for non-screen activities, indoor activities, brain breaks, and reading challenge. The most important thing is just making sure, they keep working, keep learning, keep growing. If you have any questions, please let me know. I am free for video chats, and I would love to see the kiddos and see their faces and do some video chats with them as well. So just let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and we can address them as needed. Thank you.